That PRM file stores plugin and effect parameter configurations for Adobe Premiere Pro, the settings that fine-tune your video editing tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these Premiere Pro configuration files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated high-value PRM file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. PRM files are parameter configuration files for Adobe Premiere Pro storing, effect plugin settings, device control configurations, and import/export module parameters. They define how third-party plugins and hardware devices interface with the Premiere Pro editing environment. Adobe Premiere Pro PRM files use a binary format storing plugin identification data parameter ranges, default values, and UI layout definitions. They are loaded during Premiere Pro startup from the plugins directory and register available effects, transitions, and device controllers. The most widely recognized opener for PRM is unequivocally Adobe Premiere Pro from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows can display config data, though correct use depends heavily on understanding the format. Open the context menu on the PRM file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing Adobe Premiere Pro. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If the PRM file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your PRM file is not opening. First, locating PRM files. Navigate to the Premiere Pro installation directory at Program Files Adobe. Premiere Pro plugins to find PRM files. These files correspond to installed effects, transitions, and hardware controllers. Third-party plugin installers place additional PRM files in this directory. Next, troubleshooting. Missing effects. If effects or transitions are missing from Premiere Pro, verify that the corresponding PRM file exists in the plugins folder. Reinstall the third-party plugin to restore its PRM configuration file. Restart Premiere Pro after adding or replacing any PRM files in the plugins directory. Finally, resetting to defaults. If Premiere Pro behaves erratically after plugin installation, hold Alt while launching Premiere Pro to reset preferences. To remove a problematic plugin, delete its PRM file from the plugins directory and restart the application to restore stable operation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.